What's up everyone, welcome back to another video here on Tides Fishing. I realized for the last video I did not make an intro, so I'm filming that right now really quick. But if you haven't been here before, guys, we do all kind of saltwater tips, tricks, and videos. So if you like that, hit the subscribe button. And this video is a nice calm day. Me and Reese, we didn't have the boat, so we decided to take the kayaks out. All we had was some live shrimp, no live bait. But we went out, we were fishing a little outgoing marsh cut that there was. There's a lot of bait that was right there. And so we got into some really nice fish. But I'm gonna let y'all watch that for yourself. So thanks for watching another video, guys. Drop a comment below on what y'all want to see in the next one, and don't forget to hit the like button. Enjoy the video. Oh, hey, that might be a good one.
Woohoo, boy!
I'll net him.
That bend in, baby.
Did you get it that big? Yes, sir. Oh, here, I'll net him. I can net him.
Got him.
Ow. Right there. Burn my hand. Reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up. Bring him this way. Don't break your line off. Yeah. Easy. Easy. You're gonna have to net him. Here, take the net. Ready? I'm gonna throw it to you. Ready? There you go. Be easy with him. Hey, it's solid though.
It ain't come with the water yet. I ain't heard a splash. What we looking at here? Woo! It feels pretty big. And we got us a redfish, boy.
Hey, little red.
Little red.
All right, so what I'm doing is, I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but there's a lot of birds working here off the front, and it's most likely going to be gaff top, but just in case, if it's not, I'm gonna give it a try. But knowing my luck, by the time I get over here, they're gonna all be gone. But I'll turn the camera back on once I get over there. Cast, see what we get. Anchor down. Change of plans. I'm gonna put on a gulp. Go underneath them. Popping cork. Oh my god. Ah! It's my luck. All the fish are biting and I'm busy rigging lines. Oh, oh, he's on. He's on. I don't know what he is, but he ate it. He spit it. Other one's up. I got him. What are we dealing with out here? Trout. Oh, he spit it too. Oh, got another one. Oh, spit it again. I think I'm right in the middle of them right here. Yeah, these birds are jumping off. Man, they're smoking the gold. Oh, he took my gold. Shame. Put another one on. You gotta hurry, I'm drifting. Alright, I have to paddle up, we gotta hit him again. Bro, they're eating this thing so quick. There you go, now we got him. Nice. They're all small baby ones. Baby trout. Get lucky and get a big one here in a second. Stop. I wanna go catch your buddy. Little sand trout. Actually, it's a normal trout, I think. Wasn't even a sand trout. He's like so small. There he is. Got another one. Let's go. Man, there's some small trout. Ah. Little baby trout. Let him go. Oh, that's right on him. There it is. Oh, missed him. Oh, he's eating it. One's eating it. Got him. Oh my gosh, they're eating on top of the water. This is crazy. I think I got him. No? Oh, that's a better one. That's a better fish. A little bit better fish. Solid. And in the boat. Nope, never mind. We are killing the dink trout under these birds. I'm gonna go back to Reese here in a second and try to go for a bigger red, but on my way back I might as well just keep catching these little buddies. And a water you go. I needed them to go. There's one diving, there's one diving. I'm gonna grab this buoy, hold on to it so I don't drift off, and then I'm gonna cast. Got the buoy. Foot, let me cast. Oh, drop my buoy. Get my buoy back. Get a bite. Get a bite, and something ate it. My cork is gone. I hooked it. Re-hold this thing. Alright, let's get our fish. Oh, huge trout, man, he came off. Still got our buoy. Throw him back. There's gotta be some bigger fish in here. Man. Guys, at the popping cork, there's a video on this, should probably is already posted, but I'm using a gulp shrimp, or gulp swimming mullet right here, so I'm popping it a little more often. But it's not seeming like there's much going on unless you're right under the birds. He's got it, oh. He got it, got him. Little baby. Chill. Can we get the double? Oh, we're gonna get the double. We're gonna get the back-to-backer. Oh, almost hit the bird. Oh my gosh, that was a good pull. I haven't used this reel in a long time. I need to get used to setting the hook with it like I used to. Oh my gosh, they just tore something up right there. Oh, there's a bite. He's got it. There he is. Wow. I really want to throw a topwater right now, but it's a shame that I took it off. It'd be so fun to throw a topwater right now. I'm right on top of him. Oh, there he is. Get your water off. Oh my god, you freaking beep. Alright, I've had enough baby trout. Let's go see what Reese is doing.